If you experience ringing, buzzing, or humming in your ears, earwax could be part of the problem. When earwax builds up and blocks the ear canal, it can affect how sound travels to the eardrum. This blockage may sometimes cause or worsen tinnitus symptoms. In these cases, professional earwax removal can restore normal sound transmission and reduce, or even eliminate, the ringing sensation. However, it's important to understand that tinnitus has many possible causes. If earwax is the main trigger, removal may bring noticeable relief. But if tinnitus is linked to other factors, further hearing assessment may be needed. That's why a professional ear examination is always the best first step if you notice ringing along with symptoms of wax buildup.